So hello YouTube. On this episode, we are going to show you how to solve your problem with your remote. If you're having issues with any of the buttons, whether it's the lock or unlock, in this case, it's the unlock button that's not working. So just to demonstrate, this is a key that works.
You can hold it closer there, okay? So that one's working. You can see it works.
Working. While this one doesn't. And the other buttons work, but the unlock button doesn't. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what's going on with it. And hope
a little bit of leverage is helpful with that. I want to show how you put that lever in there, Mark, if you put the screwdriver down again so you can see how you can
create a little fulcrum.
Yeah, a little fulcrum there, and it makes it a little easier to pop up.
So you just go around. There you go. So it is glued. I can tell it's glued, or it's, and there's that. So we can actually leave that on there, or we can completely remove it. But this is really all we need to clean right there. But let's see what's behind this. It's up, you'll probably find one of these contacts that's supposed to be attached there. In this case, it's not. That's why it wasn't working. So we don't.
Making it turn upside down.
We may not have to clean this. We might actually just have to somehow glue this back on, right? And where's the bronze looking button? Right? Okay. Just press all around. So now let's see if that worked.
And it works.
Did.
Very nice.
Perfect. All right.
Lock it. Lock it.
Lock.
And
Unlock.
unlock. All right.
All right.
Fantastic.
All right. So don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.